With 138,000 people employed in stable, reliable work because of the red meat processing industry, there is more to our industry than meets the eye. In 300 communities across Australia, we back locals and support family businesses from farmers to truckies and the local butchers. Our industry generates around 1% of all economic activity. We aren't just good for regional Australia, we're good for all of Australia. And in Australia, we are the critical link between our farmers and your summer barbecue or Sunday roast. Australian red meat is some of the best in the world, loved by families from Japan to the US. It helps put Australia on the map and gives us something to be proud of. There's more to Australian red meat processors than meets the eye. We deliver a world-class product with advanced manufacturing and we process it locally. To find out more, head to moretomeat.com.au.